Hello everyone! Today we'll witness some tough driving situations, where even a small mistake can lead to unpredictable outcomes. Stay tuned, and remember, focus is the key to survival on the road. Driving in heavy rain, the bus lost control on the expressway, crashing into the car, injuring several people. The driver lost control due to vaccine side effects. Fortunately, everyone avoided the accident. The SUV being chased collided with two other cars, crashed into the guardrail, and flipped